Welcome to Donnelly. Hello everyone, my name is David Basweel and I'm the General Manager here at Donnelly Kia. And I'm joined today by Matt Hillier, our shop foreman. Now Matt, we want everyone to get their appointment booked today, right? As soon as you can, so you beat the rush. And when the snow flies, you're not in trouble with all of our appointments booked up. Matt, what's the best time to change your winter tires?
Best time to change your winter tires is now. But as long as the average temperature is below 7 degrees, that is when they become most effective.
So Matt, why should people put winter tires on their cars?
Well, winter tires have larger voids and a softer tread compound that is more effective in the snow and colder weather.
Will it help to stop on ice better?
Absolutely, Dave.
So Matt, we're always recommending to our guests to get their tires balanced and to do an alignment. Can you explain why we would do that?
Absolutely. Tires are an investment, so you want to make sure that they last the longest as possible.
Right.
Doing alignments keeps them wearing evenly, and balancing keeps them running true and smooth.
And what about all the potholes in Ottawa?
Yeah, potholes in Ottawa is definitely a road hazard for us, so it can knock out your alignment. You may not know it's out, but it can make your tires wear unevenly.
We see that all the time, don't we?
All the time.
Folks, every year Donnelly Kia has a special on for winter tire changeover season. And this year we have a doozy. We're going to check your brakes, check your alignment and suspension. We're going to test your battery. If your tires are on rims, the cost is $129.95. And if the tires are not on rims, our price is $169.95. Also, if you need winter tires, there's no one better than the experts at Kia to know what winter tires work best on your Kia. Booking a service at Donnelly Kia is very easy. Simply go online to our website, donnellykia.ca. Click on the box which says book a service right in the middle of the main page, and then enter either your VIN, your email number, or your phone number and find your vehicle.
Kia, movement that inspires.